Today we're talking all about time-saving keyboard shortcuts. I'm Emily Eggers. This is Teaching from the Couch, where I help teachers just like you save time and your sanity. So the first one I want to tell you about is Control-C, which I think we all use like on a daily basis. It copies anything that you've highlighted or selected. Another one that you may not be aware of, though, is Control-X. Control-X will cut anything that you have highlighted or selected, and then you can use Control-V to paste it wherever you need it to be. You can also do Control-Z as an undo if you made a mistake, and you can use Control-Y as a redo if you want to go back the other direction. One other one that has saved me a ton of time searching around things is Control-F. Control-F will allow you to find words on a page, and it is a godsend. There are days that I want to Control-F in my real life, and it's just not possible. You can also use Control-S to save documents and Control-P to print documents. So these next three are like my absolute favorites. Control-Shift-T will open up your last closed tab. And if you hit it again, it'll open up the closed tab before that one. And then do it again before that one and that one. And it can keep going. Like, it'll open tabs for days. My other favorite thing is if you accidentally close the window, you can use Control-Shift-T to open back up all the tabs that were in that window. One of my favorites is Windows-Shift-S. And this will take a screen grab, but you can decide what it will screen grab. You can select just a certain area that you want to screen grab, and it works super duper well. One that your students will absolutely love is Windows period. This will open the emoji keyboard, and you can have so much fun putting emojis into everything. For more awesome tech tips, check out this video right here, or hit subscribe to my channel right here.